Welcome to this open concept design home, which is great for entertaining. Enjoy a large fully fenced backyard with apple tree and lots of garden space. Zero lot line with no homeowners association nor dues. There's room in the garage for a large SUV, plus extra space for storage. Floor plan measurements deemed reliable but not guaranteed. Main level floor plan. Upper floor plan. Updated kitchen with Rubelita slab granite countertop. Kitchen with desirable gas stovetop. Enjoy prepping, cooking and eating in your beautiful kitchen. Find warmth from your gas fireplace, which is a true comfort in the Pacific Northwest. Large space for your dining table of 4 or 6 or more. The great room opens onto this territorial view deck, with apple tree blossoms on the left. Keep an eye on backyard activity from your view deck. Convenient guest bathroom on main level. Main level full bath with tub and shower. Stairs on the left take you to the upper level. Spacious master bedroom with large picture window. Master bath is also accessible from the hallway. Bathroom updated with quartz countertop and modern tile flooring. A skylight brightens the hallway to laundry room and second bedroom. Washer and dryer stay, and there is a sizable storage closet behind that door. Second bedroom, or useful home office on the upper level. Off the garage is the third bedroom or second home office with large deep closet storage under the stairway.